In this video, I want to talk about how you can start paper trading on Webull. Now, to start paper trading, you can create an account and you don't need to verify your account. So simply sign up and create your account. And once you've done that, you're ready to start paper trading. You can do this from the website, or you can use the app or the desktop app, but I'm just going to show you from the website. Head over to the web trade. And once you're inside of the web trade, what you want to do is you want to come here and click on paper trading. Now, once you're inside of paper trading, what you can do is you can search for the stock that you want to do here. So let's say you want to do Tesla. You can select Tesla. And once you're in here, what you want to do is obviously log into your account. And once you've logged in, you should see that you now have 1 million demo dollars. And you can buy and sell, and you can use that demo account as if it's a real one, just with the fake money. So that is how you can get started, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.